7 Samsung Galaxy features that feel like paid upgrades but are completely free, so stick around till the end because you might unlock features your phone already has. Let's jump straight in. The first feature is Secure Folder. To enable this, open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. Then look for Secure Folder. Tap on it, sign in using your Samsung account. Once that's done, you can set a lock type like a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. After setup, open Secure Folder and start adding apps, photos, or files you want to keep private. This is perfect if you want extra privacy without installing any third-party apps. The second feature is Split Screen and Pop-up View. To use Split Screen, open any app first, then tap the Recent Apps button. Tap the app icon at the top of the preview and select Open in Split Screen View. Now choose the second app you want to open. For pop-up view, go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and enable Pop-up View Action. After that, swipe diagonally from the corner of the screen to open apps in floating windows. The third feature is Edge Panels. To turn this on, go to Settings, tap Display, then select Edge Panels and toggle it on. Once enabled, you'll see a small handle on the edge of your screen. Swipe it to open the panel. Feature number 4 is One-Handed Mode. To activate this, open Settings, go to Advanced Features, and tap One-Handed Mode. Turn it on and choose whether you want to use a gesture or button method. Once enabled, swipe down from the bottom center of the screen or double-tap the Home button. The screen will shrink for easier use. The fifth feature is Smart Screenshot Tools. Take a screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons together. After capturing, you'll see extra options at the bottom like Scroll Capture and Crop. Tap Scroll Capture to take a long screenshot of a page, or use the Crop tool to select only the part you need. This feature is built into older Samsung phones and saves a lot of time. Number 6 is Ultra Power Saving Mode. To enable this, go to Settings, tap Battery and Device Care, then tap Battery, and select Power Saving or Ultra Power Saving mode depending on your device. Turn it on, and your phone will limit background apps and extend battery life significantly. This is extremely useful if your battery health isn't great anymore. The final feature is Samsung Backup and Restore. To set this up, tap Accounts and Backup, then select Backup and Restore. From here, you can back up contacts, messages, call logs, and settings to Samsung Cloud. This way, if you reset your phone or switch devices, your data stays safe without paying for extra services. So those were 7 Samsung Galaxy features that feel like paid upgrades but are totally free, and now you know exactly how to use them even on an older Samsung device. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and comment below which feature you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.